Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a little bit of work as we had to replace the motherboard. This is the old motherboard of the machine. I tried to do an encoder reset on this board and it didn't really let me. It was not calibrating properly the transmission that is located on the back of this machine, and it was not letting the brew unit come out properly. So now we did an encoder reset to the new motherboard, calibrated that transmission to the new machine as well, and now we can remove the brew unit easily and put it back in as well, very easily. There you go. We also lubricated the transmission a bit and cleaned a little bit around the spouts and the door, as we found a lot of coffee buildup, especially right here and over here inside the door. So now let's turn on the machine and let's do a test shot, and then we're going to be using the hot water and then the steam on that side of the machine. Now this is the part of the machine that we service. This is the transmission. In a few moments the transmission will go up and down and it will do a rinsing cycle as the thermal block that is located right there will get up to heat. There you go. Now is that the transmission going up to home position, then going all the way to the generator where the water pump right here will start pushing water, going to the generator, going out, the spout like that. Nice clear water, excellent rinse cycle. Now the brew unit will move all the way to the home position where it will be ready for us to start brewing. And now we can do that espresso shot. We're going to be using around 2 ounces of liquid and we're putting it on the Matt's Simon grind settings as well. We're also using our test coffee and we are on the 3rd setting of the grinder. Infusion and now extraction, and as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of those spouts, looking excellent. Now we're going to be testing the hot water. Nice flow coming out of the hot water spout. And now we're going to be testing the steamer. Once that thermal block on the back is up to temperature, the water pump will start pulsing water throughout the entire system, where we're going to start seeing a little bit of steam coming out through the one. Once that gets up to real temperature, we're going to see this pressure coming out, increasing in the steamer one, and then we're going to have the steam. And as you can see, the temperature of the thermal block is getting up to temperature. Nice and beautiful steam coming out of this machine, as you can see. Excellent pressure, excellent steam, working perfectly. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.